Hey everyone, this is the Des Moines County GIS Department, and today we're going to show you how to use the internal Classic app, the login feature, as well as just basic app functionalities. So you should be given an email that looks like this, and when you click on the link, it'll take you to the login screen. So up here is going to be where you log in. You should have an email and password or username provided by the Des Moines County GIS Department, and once those are filled out, you're going to click the login button and it's going to take you to the launch screen. Once you get past the login screen, you're going to go to the internal GIS mapping application button right here. And you can see a map of the county has loaded onto our page. On the left-hand side is going to be the search option, and you can search by parcel, owner, or address. On the right-hand side, you have tools for navigating around the county map, such as a zoom in, zoom out tool, full extent tool, and locate tool. And this tool will allow you to locate yourself within the county. This will not work if you are on a desktop setup. You will have to be on a mobile device for this tool to work. Up here in the menu, we're going to have base map and layer options. Now we have two types of base maps. These are going to be through a variety of years. We're going to have tiled services and dynamic services. Tiled services are going to be saved beforehand based on a tiling scheme, which means it's going to be a lot more crisp, smooth, and easier navigating throughout the county. And then dynamic services are going to be a bit older and they kind of draw on the fly, so they're going to be a bit more sluggish. And you can choose the different ones by just clicking on them. For this tutorial, we're just going to go with the 2021 aerial. And then we're going to look at the layers, which are going to be really helpful whenever you are working on a project within the county. You're going to have access to different layers depending on the access you have been given by the GIS department and what you're working on. I currently have access to the Des Moines County layer, the Burlington layer, and the West Burlington layer. So let's say for this example, I'm working on a sewer project. Let's go back. And let's say I'm wanting to do a sewer project right outside of the casino. If I click on one of the sewer lines, it's going to give me relevant information pertaining to that sewer line, such as the ID, class, type, and so on, so on. You return to the map here. And let's say I want to look at the sewer structure. Now I'm going to generally click right here. And depending on my click radius is going to give me a variety of options. Now the first one, it's going to go with the closest item, which is going to be the sewer structure that we just clicked on, which is 49G8, which is what I wanted. But it's going to give us the other options nearby depending on the click radius, such as the different gravity mains that are attached to 49G8. And they're all going to show the same relevant type of information depending on which item you click. Now there is one more resource that's really helpful. So let's say I want to turn on Burlington scan points. It's an additional part of this project. If I click on the scan point, it's going to give me that same information I showed you earlier. However, this is going to be a bit different. If you have a relevant attachment, you can click on here, go to view image, and it will show you the attached document, PDF, etc. that is pertaining to the item you clicked on. Not all items are going to have attachments, but the ones that do are going to be very useful depending on what resources are available. And once you're done, you just click out of this pane, return to map, and you're back into it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to email us. Otherwise, you have a great rest of your day.